Okay guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be working on the block. Went and collected yesterday, so yeah, that's all ready to start working on. I'm still waiting on the bits for the head so we can get that sorted out. Hopefully it will be delivered today, but knowing my luck, it'll probably be towards the end of the day. But we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it turns up in a good time that I can still do some bits to it. So mainly today we're on the block today. So we'll get it unwrapped, get it onto the engine stand. We're going to be doing a dummy build, getting the pistons just floating on the rods, get the pistons in. We're going to CC the block, see where we are. Crank's all ready to go. So we'll get all of that stuff in and we'll go from there. So yeah, let me get this unwrapped and we'll get it onto the stand and we'll get going. So guys, now I've got the block unwrapped. The first job we're going to do, we're going to give it a very good clean just to get rid of any swarf or any kind of, shaven metal which has gone into some unwanted area. We're going to give it a good clean and then a good rinse off before we start doing any kind of build, because the last thing we want is swarf in one of the galleries and it gets into the oil and just destroys the engine and start up. So we're going to give it a good clean now and then get it back on in and get it onto the engine stand. Okay guys, so I have given the block a good clean. I'm happy that I've rinsed every nick and cranny out of the block. So it is now ready to assemble. What we're going to be doing is we're going to get the crank in and check all our clearances, make sure everything is good on that front, make sure the crank is spinning freely, check the end float. Then we're going to get the rods onto the pistons onto the rods, get those in, and we can check we can CC the block and see where we are with that. And then once we CC the head, we can work out what kind of compression we've got. So I'm really hoping we get the bits of the head today, and so we can get a move on that. So yes, so I'm just going to put it into time lapse and just do everything, because it's going to take a little while to get everything done. So I'm just going to go straight into time lapse. I've already said what I'm going to do, and at the end, then I'll give a bit more explanation at the end. Okay, so let's get it done. Okay guys, so that is the block all set for now. So end float is 3 thou, pistons, everything's fit, everything's clear, everything's as it should be, which I'm really pleased about. I've CC'd the block, and I've got a 21.5 on the CC for the bores. Before I stripped the head and cleaned it and prepped it, I CC'd it and I had a 21.7. But from those numbers, the compression should be around 10.3 on this block, which is brilliant. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to strip the block down, everything back out, degrease, and get it ready for paint. Will re-CC the head once I get this tool so I can get the valves in. I'll CC the head. I expect it to be very similar to what I had before, but it's just nice to confirm the CCing on there. So we'll do that, and then we can get everything into paint. So that's it for now. In the next video, hopefully we'll be back on the head, or we'll be prepping the block for paint. I will strip everything down. I'll do that out of off camera, just for time saving. And thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.